Hey guys, today we're going to be fermenting some vegetables. I'm going to do summer squash, but really you can replace the squash with any other vegetable and it's going to work the same. So the process is very simple. It's going to make a delicious little treat and snack that you can keep in the fridge for up to a year or in a cool cellar if you have one. But this is healthy, super healthy. This makes trillions of good probiotics in every single bite that you eat. And it costs a few pennies to make, seriously. So good for you. So much cheaper than the store-bought probiotic pills. And it's just a great healthy snack. And it's one of the easiest, simplest ways to preserve food. So let's learn how to ferment our vegetables. Now in this video, I'm going to give you just the recipe and the quick run through, but if you really want to fully understand fermenting, be sure to watch the video that I did that goes into depth in the explanation of fermenting your food as a food preservation method. Watch that video. It'll help you get started.
Cut up your onions, your garlic, and whatever vegetable you want to use. Place them in your jar. Add an oak, bay, or tea leaves to your jar. The tannins in these leaves will help to keep your vegetables extra crisp and crunchy. Add a teaspoon of mustard seed, a sprinkle of dill seed, some fresh dill, and whatever seasonings you like. I like to use Cajun seasonings, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, a little splash of hot sauce, and of course, our salt. For minimum salt, you can do a 2% salt solution. To figure that out, you simply weigh the full contents of your jar, including the water, in grams, then times that amount times 0.02, which will give you the number of grams in salt that you need to add for a safe fermenting brine. However, for this recipe, you can shortcut it by simply using 2 teaspoons of salt for every 1 cup of water. I'm using 2 cups of water, so I'm using 4 teaspoons of salt. So I'm going to put these big ones on top as a means to knock it down. Put your weight on top of the jar and press it down. Allow your vegetables to ferment for 7 to 14 days, remembering to burp your jars daily or use a self-burping fermenting lid. When you have reached the desired sourness that you like, you can stop the fermentation process by placing it in a fridge or in a cool cellar where it will last for a year.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and dig one out. I'm trying to get a small one, just so you don't have to see me snacking on a big old piece. These are so good and they stay pretty crispy. It might grosses me out. I don't like to see people hear noises, but making a point here, so we'll tolerate it. They're so good. So there you have it. Super easy. My hair's being crazy. Oh well. Go make you some. Learn how to ferment. This is a great skill to learn and it's fun. Let the kids do it. Super easy.